Hey everyone, Working Weston here. Out of washer fluid and not sure how to add some? Today, I'm going to show you how to add washer fluid. Let's get to work. First thing you want to do is put your car in park and have it turned off, just some basic safety precautions, and then locate your hood release. Usually it's on the driver's side, lower dash. Once you pull that, you need to find the hood latch. I just slide my fingers along until I hit it. What this does is actually releases the hood. Then you need to find the hood support rod, plug that into your hood to hold it up while you're working. On different cars, the layout might be slightly different, but the basic idea is usually the same. Now you want to find your washer fluid reservoir. Usually the cap to this reservoir will say washer fluid or have a picture of a windshield on it that's getting sprayed with washer fluid, and it's usually on the passenger side of the car. Living in a colder climate, I always use washer fluid with antifreeze, that way I never have to worry about it freezing up. Next step is to pop the cap off and start adding. Unlike oil, you don't have to be too careful here. If you spill a little bit, it's not really a big deal. If you're enjoying the video, now's a great time to like and subscribe. You can also find me on Twitch at Working Weston. As far as filling up goes, you want to wait till you see the fluid start coming up the neck. Just a visual indication and then back off, right there. At this point, you could pop the cap back down and you're good to go. If you're still not getting any fluid out, you can try tracing the hoses up to the nozzles, as they sometimes become disconnected. Now you want to put your hood pin back down, lower your hood, and latch it back in. That's money, baby.